one day I'm running from the cops, bros. Bruv, some cunt had the chopper above us. Couldn't stand the thought of leaving my loved ones. Yeah, I fucked up tons, didn't realize the consequence. In your eyes, I'm responsible for this nonsense. My conscience is telling me that you're full of shit, and I promise you better be as right as you is. So sick of the fucking crisis, wanna kill me but I guarantee that you die first. So get the vibe from this verse, I ain't fucking around. Step between me, I'll be putting you in the fucking ground. Ain't found for weeks, your sound's awake, and I'm bound to beat. Just look for the bigger picture and start to see. I'm right at the beat, fucking clearing my thoughts, but I'm hearing this voice inside of my head. It's telling me gather the boys and get this cunt dead. Yeah, in this life that I live, I get by with my bribe and a gift. Stand tall, Aussie pride, my shiv. Friends all lost their side over the smoke from my spliff. And on a joke in your snitch, you be hoping and wish that you're dead, bruh.
I believe there's nothing new. Red light on the dusty avenue. Inside your heart, just afraid to go. I am more than innocent, but just take a chance and let me in, and I'll show you ways that you don't know.
Yeah, that's right. Dead, bruh. I'm beyond fed up, I'm fucking over this shit. Instead of going behind my back and starting your lip, why don't you say it face to face, or you afraid of getting hit? Bruh, I promise I'll win the contest of the meanest monsters upon us. We got the cleanest blunts, man, cause we're stoners. Out of cash to give us a loan buzz, and I'm feeling like I'm fucking hopeless. Fuck the hocus pocus, I'ma light this joint and just tote this. Up on the Gold Coast, let's roll this roach and get stoned off some dope. High hopes are broke, can't cope, so I'm getting away through a bit with the best bro, and we're fucking off our tits. We're up here, what school is on buzz, fucking toolies upon us. And I am a con artist, MC rap artist. I am living life hard, just running from the cops, and I'm the fastest. And I still got my finger up to every one of you fucking bastards. Yeah, every one of you bastards. Fuck you all. Fuck you all.
I believe there's nothing new. Red light on the dusty avenue. Inside your heart, just afraid to go. I am more than innocent, but just take a chance and let me in, and I'll show you ways